Uqale kwaba nesiphithiphithi emkhandluni waseGoli amalungu omkhandlu engaboni ngasolinye ngesiphakamiso sokuchithwa kwemeya yomkhandlu udokotela uMpho Phalatse. Amaqembu ezombusazwe angaphakathi emkhandlwini athi ajabule kabi ngokukhishwa kwemeya.
We are very excited because the residents of Johannesburg, not only us as councillors, we've been waiting for this opportunity. I can categorically state that the motion of no confidence against Umpho Phalatse was carried with 139 councillors, and there wasn't any councillor opposed to the election. I mean, the voting out of the executive mayor, the former executive mayor Umpho Phalatse.
That meeting did not quorate, which again makes the sitting that we're witnessing today an illegal one. The general principle is that you're given 72 hours notice. Equally, you are given the agenda items as well as the notices that will be discussed in that meeting. That did not happen. Once again, indicating that we're dealing with someone who is playing fast and loose with the rules of council as well as the laws of this country. And that should be worrisome for all Johannesburg residents.
Lo mhlangano okhethekile okukhishwe kona udokotela uMpho Phalatse ubizwe usomlomo womkhandlu uKholeni Makhubele kanti angaphezulu kwekhulu amalungu avotela ukuthi achithe udokotela uPhalatse oyilungu leDemocratic Alliance. Inkantolo isichithileke isicelo sika dokotela uPhalatse sokuthi uthathwe njengongeke emthethweni lomhlangano womkhandlu udolobha waseGoli. Ilungu leANC UDada Morero nguyena oseqokwe njengemeya entsha yomkhandlu udolobha eGoli. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC. Ngibika ngiseGoli.